Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiplication. The lessons we're going to cover today are multiplication facts to 12, multiplication facts to 12, find the missing number, choose the multiples of a given number up to 12, identify factors. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 4 math. Let's just start with the lesson that is multiplication facts to 12. Multiply 6 times 9. So 6 times 9 is 54. So basically multiplication is same as repeated addition. Either you add 6 9 times or you add 9 6 times. That is 54. So you have to keep the multiplication tables in your mind. Let's just start with the test questions because for the smaller numbers it's okay you can add, but for the greater number you cannot. 9 times 9, so which is the correct option? 9 times 9 is 81. Option number 2 is the correct option. 3 times 6, which is the correct option? 18, it is option number 1 is the correct option. Four times 2, which is the correct option? That is 8. The correct option is 8. 7 times 9, which is the correct option? 7 times 9 is 63. Option number 1 is the correct option. 5 times 1 is any number when you multiply by 1, the number stays the same. 5 times 1 is 5. 7 is 49. It is 7 times 7 is 49. 11 times 8, which is the correct option? Eighty-eight. Option number 1 is the correct option. 11 times 8 is 88. 7 times 3, which is the correct option? That is 21. Option number 2 is the correct option. 11 times 1. 11 times 1 is 11. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Multiply. Okay, let's just move on to next lesson. Multiplication facts up to 12. Find the missing factor. Let's just start with the lesson. Let's just start with the test questions. Three times what number is 15? You are given two options, 6 and 5. So 3 times 6 is 15. No, 3 times 5 is 15. So the correct option is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 8 times what number is 40? 8 times 5 is 40. Option number 1 is the correct option. 7 times what number is 70? 7 times 10 is 70. The correct option is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. 3 times what number is 9? 3 times 3 is 9. The correct option is option number 2. 3 times what number is 30? 3 times 10 is 1 is the correct option. 1 times what number is 10? 1 times 10 is 10. The correct option is 10. 10 times what number is 30? 'That is 10 times 3 is 30. So the correct option is 3. 8 times what number is 80? 8 times 10 is 80. Option number 2 is the correct option. 2 times 4 is 8. The correct option is option number 1, that is 4. 1 times what number is 4? 1 times 4 is 4. The correct option is option number 2. 3 times what number is 21? 3 times 7 is 21. The correct option is 7. Very good. 4 times what number is 40? 4 times 10 is 40. The correct option is 4 times 10 is 40. The correct option is 10. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. That is, choose the multiples of a given number up to 12. Multiples means the numbers when you multiply makes 50. So 5 times 10 is 50. The correct option is 5 and 10 are the factors of 50. Let's just start with the test questions. Which number, which the following numbers are multiple of 9? Multiple of 9 means the numbers that can be evenly divided by 9. So which is the correct option? You cannot divide 15 by 9, right? So the correct option is 81. Which of the following numbers are multiple of 9? That is 81. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which of the following numbers are multiple of 4? The multiples of 4 are 20 because 14 cannot be evenly divided by 14. Which of the following numbers are multiple of 3? Which is the correct option? That is 21. Option number 1 is the correct option. The multiple of 2 is 4. The correct option is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which of the following numbers are the multiples of 7? Which is the correct option? That is 49. Option number 2 is the correct option because 7 times 7 is 14. You guys are here to learn, isn't it? So stop chatting. Which of the following numbers are multiple of 12? Which is the correct option? That is 84. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. That is identify factors. Beside 25 and 1, which is one of the factor of 25? So you need to find a number that can evenly divide 25 other than 1 and 5. That is 5 because 5 is the number that can evenly divide 25. Beside 39 and 1, which is one factor of 39? Which is the correct option? That is 13 times 3. 13 and 3 are the factors of 39. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which number is factor of 18, which is the correct option? That is 2. 2 is the correct option. Very good. Which numbers are factors of 45? That is 45. Option number 2 is the correct option. Oh, 90. Which numbers are factor of 9? The correct option is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Beside 27 and 1, which is one factor of 27? That is 9 and 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which number is a factor of 33, which is the correct option? Which number is a factor of 33, which is the correct option? The correct option is 11. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we were working on is multiplication facts to 12. Multiplication facts up to 12. Find the missing factor. Choose the multiples of a given number up to 12 and identify factors. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.